Good evening. This is Mr. Sadler coming to you live from the internet on September the 4th, 2018. And this is MPM1D, grade 9 academic math. And my name is Mr. Sadler. First of all, welcome to grade 9. Welcome to St. Mary's. I hope you had a great first day. To the parents, this is just a video introducing me to you, and to make sure that you're able to access the stuff that I need you to off the web. So my web page, the YouTube channel. The purpose of the YouTube channel is that I record all the videos. I record videos of what I do every day in the class. So if your son or your daughter is ever sick, they just go to the YouTube video and they figure out what we did for the day. Again, on the web page, I put a PDF of our lessons each day, so if they don't want to watch the video, they just rather copy the note, they can do that as well. And yeah, there it is. All right, so welcome. Responsibilities. Responsibilities of an academic student are to come to class each day and do your best. In real life, again, it's your daily work that makes you a great worker, a great president, or a great whatever you happen to be, right? It's your day-to-day work. It's the same thing in math class. By being a good worker in class, you'll do fine in this course. With work, we're going to talk about homework here briefly. In grade 9 academic math, there will be between 30 to 60 minutes per night. Okay, so the consistency will be every single night you should bring your math books home. In fact, you can leave your math textbook once you get it at home at your house. We'll not be using it in class. If there's any time for work in class, I will put stuff up on the board and they can work on it from there. Okay, so again, my philosophy is it's my job to make sure your son or your daughter understands the concept completely when they're in class, but it's their responsibility to lock it in for the long term at home in the evening. All right, there's a lot of work that we do in this class. There's basically a new concept every day. Okay, so we'll be going at a pretty quick pace, so there will be work involved. We're only, it's not to scare you parents, we're only 4 years away from university, so we're getting them ready to start working. Okay. The materials that we're going to need this year. Oh, I should mention I check homework every night as well. Because if I don't check it, the kids don't do it. So I'm going to check it every night. Materials. Number 1, you're going to need a binder. Number 2, you will need paper. Probably 150 to 200 sheets. We do a lot of writing in class. We do a lot of notes in class typically. Okay, so there'll be lots to write. Number 3, you're going to need graph paper. Probably only you'll need about 25 sheets, probably all you're going to need. Okay, so whatever the smallest. If you get a bigger package of graph paper, no problem, just hang on to it for grade 10, 11, and 12, which you'll also need as well. Number 4, you're going to need a ruler. I should probably put a pencil here too. Yeah, math's supposed to be done in pencil. I didn't do that in my other videos. This is my last video I'm recording. I forgot to tell my other classes to bring pencils. That's okay. And finally, you're going to need a calculator. Which we want to be a scientific. And that's those costs that run about $10. I had the same calculator when I was in grade 9 until I started teaching, and then I lent that calculator to a student and I never got it back. Okay, so bring yourself a calculator. You're an academic. It's a requirement for the course. It will also be a requirement for grade 10, 11, 12. If you take good care of your stuff, you can hang on to it all the way through. No math teacher and no school, no university lets you use your cell phone in math class, and this one is the same way. So if you think, wow, I have a calculator on my phone, I'm going to use that, the answer is no, you're not allowed to use them on tests. You're not allowed to use them on the provincial tests, so you might as well just get used to using your calculator. With that, you'll notice there's no cell phones listed on there. Cell phones are not needed in math class, okay? Cell phones can be a distraction for kids. Texting and playing Fortnite or whatever they happen to do on their cell phones, okay? So please do not bring your cell phone to class. You will not need it. There's my mean talk for the day. Okay, there's that. Okay, next up is marks. You can get your marks from me whenever you want. I have them all on the computer. You can ask them whenever you want, okay? We're going to have, I believe, every other two, whoops, what happened there? Test and an assignment every other Tuesday. Okay, our first one is going to be I'll find the date, I'm not sure right now, okay? So the idea is I teach up until Friday, then on the weekend you study. Hopefully my little picture makes sense there, okay? So I teach up until Friday, and then you're going to study on the weekend, and then on Monday we'll do a review, and then Tuesday will be your test. So that's how it works every single unit. There's going to be about 8 tests, so the assignments are worth 10%. Your tests are worth about 60. Your EQAO, which don't worry about, we'll talk about that in February, is worth about 10%, and your final exam is 20. Hopefully this diagram makes sense. If it doesn't, I went through it today in class, so hopefully they'll be able to share it with you. Okay, but the idea is, again, we go through it. Again, we study until Friday, then you study on the weekend and on Monday, and then Tuesday is going to be your test. Okay? All right, to finish up here then is the contact information. My number at the school, this is the general number at the school, but if you want to talk by phone, it's 519-376-4278. My email is mr.sadler@gmail.com. And again, you can email me if there's difficulties with the homework, or if parents, if you're going to Hawaii for 2 weeks in November, please let me know, and I will, I can forward you the lessons that we're doing in that time. My YouTube site is www.youtube.com/SadlerMath. And my website is www.mrsadler.ca. New website this year. Okay. And finally, before I go, we're going to talk about extra help. This is a period 2 class, so this is right before lunch. I provide help every day before school and at lunch. And after school upon request. So I've had students that hate doing homework, and this may be your son or daughter, hopefully not. They hate doing homework, so what they just do is they sit in my classroom at lunch and get their homework done at lunch, and they could ask me questions and go through it, and they have nothing to do in the evening, right? And that's fine to do if you want to. So again, I'm in there every day before school, so if you get stuck on the homework and you want to go through it before class starts, find me in the morning. I'm in the same classroom, room 320, and we can go through. There's nobody in this room generally before period 1, so you can come on in. Same thing at lunchtime. It's a little busier, but generally I'll be able to help you out all you want. So again, come on in and we'll go through anything you need to. Okay? Well, thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. So again, remember to check the website, check the YouTube video, and let's have a great semester. I look forward to teaching your son and your daughter very much, and let's have a great semester. Okay, thanks. Bye.